Gmail account. All you're gonna need also is a PayPal account because that's how you're gonna get paid. And although PayPal is an option, you're gonna be able to use other payment methods as well that you're gonna be able to find a way. And I'm gonna show you guys how you're gonna make so much money in less than an hour with today's strategy, which is gonna be absolutely amazing. So if you wanna know what exactly I'm talking about, then make sure that you type in What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So the first step with this method is that you need to have a Gmail account with a Gmail address, and to be able to make a Gmail account, if you don't have one yet, you can go on to gmail.com. You can go over here and then you can click on sign up and you can make one, and then after that you are gonna go onto people.com. You're gonna create a personal or a company PayPal account. Now this is how you're actually gonna get paid from this website, which I'm gonna show you in a few seconds. You're gonna go on to PayPal, you're gonna sign up over here. You can sign up for a personal account or a business account. You're then gonna click next, fill out all of the details exactly. They're gonna ask you, and then you're going to enter in your country, and we're gonna get started with, the basics, okay? Create a PayPal account if you don't already have one. I'm sure most of the people watching today's video already have it as well, and a Gmail as well. If you don't have it, then make sure you make it, because those are the two most important things that you need to have ready to get into this strategy, okay? Now, I want to show you a website that's going to pay you over $200 every single month, and this is how you're going to see how much money you can make using a free done-for-you traffic plan. So if you get 10 signups, you're going to get paid $222, which is like 22.2 per month per person per sign up. So if you get like 45 signups and then you're gonna multiply that by 22.2, that's over $1,000. You're gonna need like 46 signups. For 100 signups, you're gonna get paid this amount of money. But if you notice over here, this is where you also get $1,000 bonus, okay? 4,000 signups, you're gonna get a 5,000 bonus. And if you go all in on this strategy, you're gonna be able to do this for the next few months, and if not, even years, and earn $5 every month in passive income, which is why I'm asking you these questions, okay? Imagine making this much money every month without doing anything at all. What would you do with it? How would you spend it? Now, the website's name is adcreative.ai, and if you go to adcreative.ai, you're gonna see that this is what they help people with, okay? They help you with ad creatives, which is where they make all of these high quality images for your advertising, and you can do this all online. Several websites like this can help you, but this one in particular is intended for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google Ads, and Bring Ads, so it's a very handy website. The thing about this website is that they are also a Google partner. Now, this is something that only around 3% of websites can actually claim, okay? Obviously, Facebook is not going to declare that they're a Google partner. What this implies, or what this means, is that they're giving away 500 Google ad credits to new customers. So I'm going to show you how you're going to make a lot of money with this one, and you're going to go onto this page, and then you're going to go all the way down. You're going to click right here where it says affiliate, and then right here you can select and choose to join the Ad Creative AI partner program, and this is going to be the start of something absolutely amazing, and I know you guys don't want to miss, and I don't want you guys to miss it. So make sure you follow everything. Stay tuned, because we're gonna delve into it right now. If you want to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, make sure you check our description box down below, because we have something that you guys are gonna absolutely love. It's for me to know and you guys to find out, so click on our description box down below. Also, please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see in our future videos, because it'll be based completely off of all your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas, so make sure that you do that, and let's get back into the video. Now you're going to enter in your first name, your last name, your email, your password. You're going to confirm your password. Click on the You're Not a Robot. You're going to click on Sign Up. And then next you're going to go into your email address, confirm your email. And this is how it's going to look like, okay? One more step and you're going to have to confirm your email address. And then they're going to ask you to confirm your email and your PayPal address, which is where you're going to input in your PayPal account, which is where you're going to get paid. And then you're going to click confirm. And this is why you're going to need a PayPal account to make money from this website, because if you don't, then you're not going to be able to get paid. Now, all you have to do is scroll down, click on create another link, because this is your affiliate link and you want to improve it. So you're going to click on create another link and then type in your token and something like a free credit promotion, and then you're going to click on create link. Now you can just duplicate it, and everybody who clicks on this link right here to make your free create promotion will then be taken to this page, which looks just like where they will join up and you're going to get paid. Now the question is, how am I going to get paid? How am I going to get people to sign up here so I can make money? It's super easy. You're going to go into Google, and the way this coupon works is that they must spend money, and this website is going to match that expenditure. If you think that's powerful, okay, you guys are going to absolutely love where I'm about to go to. Now, for if it's new users, but if they've already spent some money, you can just double their ad spend without any issues. So, for example, what you want to do, if they spend $250 completely free just for sign up, all you have to do is go into Google and search, for example, a barber in Dubai, and you're gonna see over millions of results. Okay, make sure you don't have any ad blockers or anything like that, because what you want to be doing is simply contacting people who are already spending money. So all of these advertisements are people who are already paying money on ads. So all you have to do is to go on one of these websites like Ivy Dubai, look for the contact information. Now this website does not offer contact information. They do have WhatsApp as their contact information, so you can just message them right away on WhatsApp, and then you're gonna go on to contact right here on this website. You're then going to be taken to this page. You're going to see their Gmail account. So all you have to do is copy it and then make a new email, compose a new email in Gmail, and message them with this high converting done for you script that I've already made for you, okay? You can obviously just pause this video and then you're going to copy it, and then obviously that's how you can get it. Now, the difficulty is a topic most websites have no idea what Google Ads are or how to utilize them, so you're probably a bit nervous about contacting them. However, we're contacting a website that does Google Ads, that use Google Ads, and understands the importance of advertising. So we're going to do this like a business deal, okay, as if they already know what's going on, and then you're just going to do exactly like this. So you can do something like this, what I've already written down, okay, hello, it's this, and then they'll just click on your link. So you're going to copy this link, paste it in your browser, return to Gmail, and then you're going to scroll down to this section. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. So it's called adcreative.ai, which we already talked about, and you'll want to hyperlink to it so that when they click on it, you're going to be taken to the website, but also they will be taken to your own affiliate link, and you can join up over there with your affiliate link. This is another link option which you can add right here, but also have a look at this because not a lot of people are aware. That's why I'm reaching out to you. This is my affiliate link. You can use it as well. You can put your own. So you're promoting this website, okay? And when people see this email, they're going to be like, okay, how do I get it? And then another promotional email, then they're going to see this part right here, which you can also make in bold. So basically, just copy everything that I have on here and then just send it to whatever business company that you found, and you're going to earn money straight into your PayPal account. And that's how you use Gmail and PayPal together. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.